Okay, is this recording? Seems to be. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I want you to do. So I took a picture um, that has a geometric figure in it. So here's my image. And you're going to have to find your image on your computer. Okay, if you need to do a screenshot, you can save it as a screenshot and all of that. Watch the little beach ball spinning round and round, spinning round and round, spinning round and round. Don't let it hypnotize you. This is good use of technology. It's going to work. I did this before. This is what happens. There it is. Okay. So I click OK, and there's my picture. Okay, and I can move it around. I can use these to resize it. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I am going to go to the settings, and I'm going to fix the object so that I can't mess. I'm wrong. I thought that would. Oh, I guess that fixed. What did that fix? I don't know. I'm going to click there. Yeah, I guess it wouldn't let me drag on the picture. Okay, so what I see here is a parallelogram. So I'm going to start with, and I want to actually build a parallelogram. I don't want to just eyeball it, but I'm going to start here. Let's start here. And then I'm going to draw a segment down to here. Okay, and I'm sure there's a quicker way to do this, but I'm going to make this segment much thicker. I'm going to make it red so I can see it. Okay, and then I'm going to draw the second side, and I'll draw it here, and I'll go from here up to, say, let's go to there. Okay, and I can see my parallelogram. The bookcase is blocking it, but that's actually okay. So I'm going to again make this red and thicker. Okay, now what I need to do is find parallel lines to the other side. So I'm going to go to the parallel line tool, and it tells me I need a point and a parallel line. So I want it to be parallel. I'm going to do the bottom side first. I want it to be parallel to this line and through that point. So there's my line. And I want another one that's parallel to this line and through that point. So I'm going to pick this line and that point. Okay, and there's my parallelogram. I'm going to put a point at the point here where they intersect. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll put a point there. And then I'm actually going to hide the two lines. Where's the show hide? There it is. So I'm going to hide this, and I'm going to hide this. Okay. And now I've got that point F there, so I'm going to finish my parallelogram with a circle, with a segment. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to make that one red and thick. Red. And then I'm going to do this one. From here to here. I'm going to make that red and thick. Okay, and then I'm going to just change that color because it's blue, make it blue like the other ones. I think that's right. Okay, so now I have my parallelogram, and I want to find the area of my parallelogram. Okay, and there's going to be two ways to do this. The first way is by measuring the base and the height. So I need to know what the base is. So I'm going to call this the base here, and I can just measure that distance or length of this. Right, and there's that. And it's hard to see again. I don't know what I want to do with that. Make it orange, will that help? No, that's I did the line. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. I can see it as 6'4". I think I can hide the picture later. Okay, but now the tricky part is I want to find the height. And the height is from this point here, since I chose this base, it's from this point here perpendicular to that side. So I need to draw a perpendicular line, and I'm going to do it from a point and a perpendicular line. So I want it to go from here and perpendicular to that line, and there it is. Okay, that's actually not where I was drawing it. It's not how I saw it. So there's the segment. I'm going to put a point where the line is here. I'm going to hide that perpendicular line, and I'm going to put a segment in. And that segment will go from here to there. Oops, what's happened? There it is. Here to there. And let's just make that segment seeable. And make it a little different color. Maybe make that one thicker, but make it a blue. Okay. And then I want to measure its height. Distance or length of that. And I'm getting 2.9. 2.9, and I'm getting this one as 6.1. Okay. So my 2.9 times 6.1, I can come here to the calculator. Oops. 2.9 times 6.1, and it tells me it's 17.7. Okay, so that's my area. Maybe I can pull that. Can I drag that out here? Yeah, so there's my area that I've calculated by base times height. But I'm going to go back and do it a different way. Okay, and one way to do it is to make a polygon. So I'm going to choose these points to make my polygon. One, got to do them in order. That's important. 3, and then back to the first side. Okay, and then I can actually select the polygon. How do I select the polygon? Did I select it? Okay, and there's the, I clicked on it, right? I chose the area of a polygon, I selected the polygon, and it tells me it's 17.8, which for my purposes is close enough. Okay, so that's the idea. All right. So thanks for playing.